In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to a Slack channel. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Slack dashboard. From there, click on Launch Slack for your chosen workspace. You have the option to use either the desktop app or simply select Use Slack in your browser. Either option will work just fine. Once you're in, take a look at the sidebar on the left side of the screen. You'll see a list of channels. Find and click on the specific channel where you want to add people. This might be a project channel, a team channel, or just a topic channel. It's totally up to you. Now, to open the channel details window, you have a couple of different methods at your disposal. Let's go through them. The first method is pretty straightforward. Just right-click on the channel's name in your sidebar or even in the chat area. A menu will pop up. From there, select View Channel Details. The second method is just as easy. In the upper right-hand corner of the channel header, you'll see 3 dots, also known as the ellipsis. Click on those 3 dots and then select Open Channel Details. Either method will get you where you need to go. Now that you have the channel details open, look for the Members tab. Click on that and you're almost there. You should see an option that says Add People. Click on that to begin inviting new members to your channel. Now here's where it gets a little different, depending on the type of channel you have. If you're working with a channel indicated by a hashtag icon, you have a couple of options. You can start typing in names to add people one by one. If you're feeling ambitious, you can also select the option to add all members of your workspace to invite everyone all at once. Pretty cool, right? Once you've selected your members or the option to add everyone, all you need to do is click Add to finalize everything. Now, if you're dealing with a private channel marked by a lock icon, there's a little more nuance. A prompt will show up reminding you that new members will have access to the entire history of the channel and any shared files. Once you read that, click Continue to move forward. Keep in mind that you cannot add all members of your workspace to a private channel in one go. Instead, you'll need to search for and select each person's name individually. Once you've chosen all the members you'd like to add, simply click Add to wrap things up. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully added someone to a Slack channel. Remember, whether you're working on a team project or just chatting casually, bringing people into the conversation can help keep everyone in the loop. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.